We've got fresh off the press, haven't we?
Yeah, okay. Well, I've been that busy. We actually haven't done fresh off the press for a while. I think it's just time to rewind and have a look at a bit of what's going on. So
we've gone back to our roots a little bit, haven't we, Mark?
We have, which I think we've needed it. So I've had a couple of something old that I've sort of rehashed, made a bit bigger, and dropping a range with socks, and that is the Bad Decisions Makes Good Stories.
Certainly do.
We've gone with a massive oversized print there, and that's Smirk Supply Co. You want to have a look at that one? And something new for Life Strife, which Life Strife I love. That's a bit of fun, that one.
Cool colours.
Yeah, nice colours.
Yeah, that's it.
This is I was playing around with an idea, thinking of like surfing, Keena's mustard, Keena's curry, more and more. But what I came up with instead was give 'em curry. So, and that's no offence to Indian people. That's just our take from a saying when we were young, give someone a hard time or whatever, just give 'em curry.
Yeah, nice.
So that's a distressed Life Strife print shirt there, which is a new one.
It's a beauty.
Which is quite good.
Yes, Dan, I'll give you a...
And then one of them two or both, maybe leave a comment. I reckon we could put one of them or both of them in the Sunday Shitshow bag of shit for a winner. So let us know which one you like.
Yeah, nice.
So leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And then coming up, November 22 is the Boydy Cup, which it's just designed and done this one for this year. Yellow on the front with Yaroomba Boardriders. It's just funny how things tie in.
Yeah.
We've just been talking about shark bands and that, and this is in memory of Chris Boyd, who was taken by a shark, and his brother Nick and Yaroomba Boardriders put this event on every year, which it's fun. Entries are open, and if you want a really, really good day, head on down for that one at Yaroomba.
And there's some good prizes up for grabs this year. I'll tell you, it's growing and growing every year. It just keeps going from strength to strength. So Chris is up there, he's looking down, and he's stoked.
As you'll notice, there's a few local sponsors on there as well. So get behind your local Boardriders club, and more importantly, get behind this event if you can.
Yeah, it's a beauty. So it's always good to remember my old buddy Chris.
Yeah.